You, O Prophet, could not read any writing even before this revelation, nor could you write it all. Otherwise, the people of falsehood would have been suspicious. Muhammad couldn't read and write? Peace be upon him. But here's the whole book. Well, I guess that's why they say, otherwise the people of falsehood would have been suspicious. Like, he couldn't write his own words. He didn't know how. But this Quran is a set of clear revelations preserved in the hearts of those gifted with knowledge, and none denies our revelations except the stubborn wrongdoers. They say, if only some signs had been sent down to him from his Lord. Say, O